Nearly every housewife makes milk puddings, but only 1 in 100 can make them properly. When cooked, the grains should be quite soft and encased with a rich, thick cream. Failure to produce this result simply indicates that the pudding has been cooked too quickly or that the proportion of grain to milk is too large. Allow 2 level tablespoons, not a grain more, of cereal, rice, sago, semolina, tapioca, and 1 level tablespoon sugar to every pint of milk. Put in a pie dish with a vanilla pod or some strips of lemon rind, and stand for an hour in a warm place, on the hob for example. Then take out the pod or peel and put into a fairly hot oven. As soon as the pudding boils, stir it well, and move to a cooler part of the oven. It should now cook very slowly for 2 hours.